Welcome to Oslo, the city where we live, love, work and have fun. Some of our best times are spent around the dinner table, and we use and throw away as little as we can. Household waste is sorted into colour-coded bags. Food waste in green bags, plastics in blue bags, and residual waste in common shopping bags. All three bags are discarded into the same waste container. The bags are transported to the sorting plants to be separated and recycled so that old waste can become new materials and energy. These resources come at the benefit of both the city's agriculture and citizens. Oslo's climate goals are ambitious, aiming to make the city even more green and sustainable. The city aims to reduce emissions by 36% by 2020, 50% by 2022, and a staggering 95% by 2030. This is doable if everyone living in Oslo do their part. Non-recyclable waste is incinerated and converted into eco-friendly district heating for Oslo's households. At the Haraldrud facility in Oslo, 100,000 tons of waste is sorted each year. In the facility, domestic waste is categorized by optical readers that detect the color of the bag and separate them. Plastic and food waste is sorted in separate containers and sent to recycling. The residual waste is transported to the bunker and ends up in the incinerator. By incinerating the residual waste, we heat the water in the pipes surrounding the incinerator. The hot water is distributed through Oslo's district heating network. Together with Oslo Fortum Heating, we supply district heating to the large parts of the city, so that you can stay warm through a cold winter and enjoy a hot shower in the morning. After the green bags of food waste have been sorted, they are transported to Romerike biogas facility. The biogas facility has the capacity to process 50,000 tons of food waste and other biogas substrates a year. A shredder opens the green bags of food waste. The magnetic separator removes metal that have ended up in the food waste. The bioseparator detects and removes any plastics, textiles, and other non-food materials. The food waste is macerated and then sifted to remove the smallest particles. The screw press is a self-cleaning sieve with 10mm holes, removing any remaining unwanted particles. The sifted food waste is stored outside in storage tanks. In the pulper, the waste is preheated to between 80 and 100 degrees and more unwanted particles are removed. By heating up the waste to approximately 133 degrees for 20 minutes, potentially harmful bacteria, seeds, floral and animal diseases are removed through the thermic hydrolysis process. As the temperature reaches 133 degrees, bacteria are sanitized so as to no longer pose a threat to humans or animals. In the flash tank, the pressure is lowered rapidly, causing food cells to explode. The cell surfaces become large and accessible to the bacteria that eat the food waste. The food waste must be cooled before bacteria can eat it. The excess heat is reused in the facility to save energy. The food waste is transported to the bioreactor, where the temperature is approximately 38 degrees. The food waste decomposes for 24 days to create a raw biogas consisting of 60% methane and 40% CO2. The raw biogas must be cleaned before it can be used as fuel for vehicles. The gas is cleaned by washing out CO2 and then cooling the gas down to -162 degrees. This process creates liquid biogas that serves as fuel for buses, renovation trucks, and other heavy vehicles. Many of Oslo's buses run on biogas, and the goal is to convert the heavy transport market industry to biogas as well. By increasing the use of biogas in the heavy transport sector, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions and take a big step closer to the goal of a sustainable society. One bag of food waste can take a bus a full 250 meters. Imagine how many miles that adds up to if we all recycle. Liquid biofertilizer is used in local agriculture. The biofertilizer contains important nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and carbon that's now transferred back in the soil. Citizens can utilize biofertilizer as peat-free compost. And best of all, it's all recycled from the food waste, sparing the already diminished phosphorus storages that are left on Earth. Everything goes around in a cycle. The waste you throw and recycle becomes new resources, making it possible for you to eat, take the bus and take hot showers, whilst also helping the climate and environment. This is how Oslo's recycling works in a sustainable circular economy.